Hello, beautiful. Callie here from the Full for Life team, and today I'm going to show you how to crack and separate eggs efficiently along with some essential tips. You'll need a bowl and eggs. This simple technique doesn't make a mess and is extremely easy to master. Simply crack an egg and transfer the yolk back and forth from one half of the shell to the other while letting the egg white drip into the bowl. Egg whites can be negatively impacted by the natural oils on your skin, so if you're planning on whipping your whites, we don't recommend separating your eggs with your hands or touching the egg white with your fingers. The less the egg whites come in contact with your hands, the better. Two key tips when separating your eggs is to use cold eggs and to crack the egg against a flat surface or on the rim of a bowl as close to the middle of the egg as possible. If any bits of eggshell or yolk land in your perfectly separated egg yolks or whites, simply scoop them out using one of the eggshell halves. Cheers to a healthy lifestyle and living full for life.